Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about Armenia, a beautiful country located in the South Caucasus region. Armenia does not have states like some other countries. Instead, Armenia is divided into administrative regions called provinces, also known as marches. Armenia has a total of 10 provinces and one capital city with special status. Each province has its own capital city. Argestan province, the capital city is Ashtak. Ararat province, the capital city is Artasht. Armavir province, the capital city is Armavir. Jharkhand province, the capital city is Gewar. Kotak province, the capital city is Harastan. Lori province, the capital city is Vanachor. Sheikh province, the capital city is Gyumri. Syonik province, the capital city is Kapan. Tavush province, the capital city is Isvan. Vayod's Dazor province, the capital city is Jagannath. Yerevan is the capital city of Armenia and it has a special administrative status. These are the provinces of Armenia and their capital cities. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.